friends. So I'm sick today. My voice might sound kind of dead, but it's okay. It's also my best friend's birthday. So it's kind of sad I was sick today, but it's okay. We're just gonna be playing some MM2. I feel so bad for getting sick on my best friend's birthday. Oh, but I'm sure I got this, even though, bro, this is just gonna be so bad. I just know it will. What's my aim? I can aim now. I died. Seriously, my voice can't scream or anything, so this is gonna be very bad, like. So I kinda got sick on 8th of December when I was at school, but I didn't even say to anyone I was feeling bad. So I'm actually supposed to be at school right now, but I'm sick. It's the first time I've been sick this year, so it's not too bad, I guess. Like, this is my first time being sick in the school year, so I'm not that worried, I guess. Okay, but we're innocent. I think that it's gonna be good, cause yeah. Why is he so tall? Yeah. But yeah, I'm low-key just feel. Oh, that bacon's lagging so hard. But yeah, who's the murderer? But I hope I will get better tomorrow. But yeah, I don't want to rest. I should not playing MM2 because it's my best friend's birthday. I should be online, no. Who's the murderer, bro? Who's the murderer? Bro, I cannot speak. I sound so dead. But yeah, I'll just collect my coins. Who's the murderer? Bro, can the murderer just kill for once? Bro, where did you get from? Yeah, she got flown. Did you? Yeah. What did you just do? Hi, girl. And yeah, I do apologize for me sounding so dead, but yeah, this girl. Hi. But yeah, I'll go for a nap. In my opinion, Mansion 2 is not even that good, but people will like it, but it sounds like just running in circles. Innocent again. Oh, victory. Bro, my cat is doing something. She's like playing with them. She's playing with a cat toy, and she's honestly so crazy. But yeah, wait, Hotel 2 Factor is better. Bro, people have not good choice in maps in the server. Let's see what we get. Oh, guys, I got murdered. Okay. Okay, hold up. Oh, there's a bacon there. Hi there. Dude, hi. Bro, that was kind of but okay. Girl, come here. Girl. Oh, no! I'm done, bye. Okay, that was not a good server at all, bro. I literally died so fast, but okay. Yeah. Yeah. I like the way when I do servers, people are like jumping with me. That's kind of funny. But okay. What's my in-good buddy? Why are you asking people if your ing's good? Like, it's kind of weird. Mention again, bro. This entire video is just mention, bro. This is so boring. Oh, and he said, no. That's funny, but okay. K-lol. Yeah, happy birthday to my best friend. Because it's her birthday today. And yeah. Bro, I feel so bad for being sick for her birthday. Like, what is this? Oh, why is it so bright? Bro, bro, it's so bright. I literally cannot see my avatar. Bro, what is this? Okay. Oh, bro, why are you sneak killing though? Oh, I think he's a hacker, but I'm not even sure, bro. Wait. Let's do meal base, even though house is also good, but no. Meal base, I'm in the mood for meal base. Oh, guys, I'm sheriff. I just hope I do this time instead of just dying. Who's the murder, bro? I want to kill you, bro. Please just find the murder, bro. Bro, I want to shoot. But I swear, if it is the hacker, I'm just rage quit. Bro, what? Bro, that was for sure the hacker. Like, I didn't know. Let's see. Bro, I knew it, bro. You are dumb. Okay, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. Bye.